The highlights of today's defense news, 12th of February 26. An RFI for procurement of land attack cruise missiles for conventional submarines for the Navy. Solar Industries unveils Vijayastra loitering drone for precision battlefield dominance. DRDO and CSIR forge pact to pioneer survival technology for extreme environments in high altitude. Adani-Leonardo offers AW109 TrekkerM for India's twin-engine utility helicopter requirements. In the global highlights, Leonardo DRS, Axon Vision from Israel team up on C-UAS capability. DARPA picks Saronic for semi-autonomous vessel protection program. A look at the news in detail. An RFI has been issued to procure land attack cruise missile for conventional submarines for the Indian Navy. The land attack cruise missile is capable of engaging land targets. The missile shall provide long-range strike capability against land targets with a high probability of kill in a single shot. It shall also provide conventional submarines of the Navy with the advanced technology in missile warfare. What are land cruise missiles? Unlike ballistic missiles, cruise missiles are usually categorized by intended mission and launch mode instead of maximum range. The two broad categories are land attack cruise missiles (LACMs) and anti-shipping cruise missiles (ASCMs). The land attack cruise missiles are designed to strike fixed or mobile land targets. Some examples are Tomahawk of US, Calibri of Russia, Nirbhay of India. They typically emphasize precision, long range, and survivability in contested environments. Solar Industries has unveiled Vijayastra, its indigenous unmanned aerial vehicle designed for precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. Vijayastra boasts a loitering munition capability, allowing it to patrol designated areas for up to 90 minutes before executing kamikaze-style attacks on high-value targets. Its lightweight composite airframe, weighing under 15 kilograms, enables deployment from man-portable launchers or small UAV carriers. The system employs GPS INS navigation augmented by electro-optical infrared seekers for terminal guidance, achieving pinpoint accuracy within a 2-meter circular error probable. Engineered for versatility, Vijayastra operates at altitudes between 100 and 4,000 meters with a maximum range exceeding 50 kilometers. Solar Industries has incorporated indigenous rocket motors drawing from its proven Nagastra 1 platform, which the Indian Army inducted in 2023. This evolution addresses gaps in swarm drone tactics and counter UAV operations amid escalating border tensions with neighbors. The UAV's warhead, a high explosive fragmentation type with programmable fuse options, delivers a lethal radius of 15 meters, optimized for armored vehicles, bunkers, and personnel concentrations. Testing at Solar Industries facilities in Maharashtra demonstrated successful intercepts against moving targets, including simulated enemy tanks. According to defense analysts, its cost effectiveness, priced below 10 lakh rupees per unit, makes it viable for mass production. Solar Industries invested over 50 crore rupees in R&D, leveraging its 75% domestic content in explosives manufacturing. Production scaling is underway at its Ambernath facility, aiming for 1,000 units annually by 2027. The firm anticipates orders from the tri-services, including Navy adaptations for maritime surveillance. There were some challenges during the development. These included electronic warfare resilience, addressed via frequency hopping anti-jamming modules. Future variants may incorporate AI-driven swarm intelligence, enabling coordinated attacks. Vijayastra's rollout coincides with India's UAV export surge, valued at $200 million in FY 2025. DRDO has formalized a significant agreement with Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR) to foster collaborative research, technology development, and resource sharing. The collaboration harnesses the complementary strengths of both premier institutions. DRDO brings its expertise in defense technologies, while CSIR contributes its vast network of 37 laboratories spanning diverse scientific domains. Together, they seek to innovate solutions tailored for harsh conditions encountered by military personnel and explorers. The key focus areas include the design and development of instruments for high altitude survival. India's border regions, like those along the line of actual control with China, features altitudes exceeding 4,000 meters where oxygen scarcity, extreme cold, and isolation pose severe risk. The partnership will target gear like advanced oxygen delivery systems and thermal insulation suited to sub-zero temperatures. Prolonged exposure to extreme altitudes leads to acute mountain sickness, hypoxia, and fatigue. Researchers aim to develop portable medical kits, physiological monitoring devices, and recovery protocols that enable rapid rehabilitation, ensuring operational readiness for troops deployed in regions like Ladakh or Siachen Glacier. The collaboration will explore solar hybrid solutions, compact fuel cells, and kinetic energy harvesters to provide sustainable power for communications, heating, and life support equipment. The resource sharing extends beyond R&D to testing facilities and personnel exchanges. DRDO's high altitude test ranges in Leh could integrate CSIR's environmental simulation chambers, accelerating prototypes from lab to field. Joint funding mechanisms may tap into government schemes like the Technology Development Fund. The Adani-Leonardo partnership, announced in early February, focuses on producing the AW109 TrekkerM helicopter domestically as a prompt solution for the Indian Armed Forces' urgent aviation requirements. Although both the AW109 TrekkerM and India's locally developed light utility helicopter fall within the same light utility category, they offer different operational features. The TrekkerM is built with two Pratt & Whitney Canada PW207C engines, offering twin-engine redundancy and boosted safety, qualities crucial for missions in India's challenging Himalayan terrain and isolated forward bases. In contrast, HAL's LUH relies on a single engine, emphasizing simple design and reduced long-term cost to enable broad manufacturing and deployment. Some prominent global news. Leonardo DRS has teamed up with Israel-based Axon Vision to develop integrated artificial intelligence-enabled counter-unmanned aircraft system capabilities for U.S. Armed Forces. Under the terms of the deal, finalized in January, Axon Vision's C-UASs will be integrated into several major battle platforms built by Leonardo DRS. The threat of UAS that are smaller, more maneuverable, and cheaper to develop compared with legacy systems has quickly become one of the most prominent emerging threats we can see across battlefields all over the world. The deal between Leonardo DRS and Axon Vision comes as the U.S. Army is expanding efforts to bolster its C-UAS capabilities through fixed and expeditionary weapon systems. The capability surge comes as service leaders continue to flesh out its 9 C-UAS batteries and disseminate overall C-UAS capability tactics, techniques, and procedures to all of its formations. From DARPA. Saronic has been chosen to contribute to the DARPA Pulling Guard program, which seeks to advance and demonstrate semi-autonomous escort systems designed to improve the survivability of unarmed logistic vessels in response to emerging threats. The DARPA Pulling Guard initiative aims to establish a scalable and distributed approach to maritime protection, utilizing innovations in cost-effective commercial technologies related to command and control, autonomy, and sensing. Under Focus Area 2, Saronic will concentrate on developing a modular vessel enabled with autonomous capabilities to address maritime security issues. The company's primary objective will be the design and engineering of the Pulling Guard platform, emphasizing the creation of a modular autonomy-enabled vessel equipped with standardized physical and digital interfaces. This will facilitate integration with a broad range of sensors and effectors. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.